Want to make a change? Put it in writing. That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. When it comes to making life changes, I write them down. I make a list. Why? Well, for this, I have two sayings. It only takes two little words to turn a bucket list into a to-do list, and making a to-do list turns a dream into a plan. Nearly every time I've made a change in my life, large or small, I started by making a list. When I changed my career, when I got out of debt, when I wanted to move across the country, and when I was hoping to travel across an ocean. Doing this has moved me quite literally from I'm considering this to I'm doing this. Granted, simply turning a wish list into a to-do list may be oversimplifying it a bit. There is a process. But even grocery shopping is more effective when you're armed with a list. Let's take my dream to start traveling internationally. I took that one item off my bucket list and broke it down into the simplest of steps. I didn't worry about how I would accomplish it or anything else. Just what would I need to go from point A to point B. So, to travel abroad, I needed to get a passport, pick a destination, pick a date, buy a plane ticket, and book the lodging. And then honestly, once I saw how simple it was, I just started doing it. I did the same when I wanted to move 3,000 miles back to my hometown. The thought alone felt overwhelmingly prohibitive, but then I wrote it down. My first list was the pre-move research. Research current cost of living in my hometown, check out the job market, determine the cost of the entire move, confirm my finances can comfortably support the move, or start a comprehensive savings plan. Okay, I can do that. Then I did the same with the physical move. My moving to-do list was find a place to live or a place to land temporarily, make calls to places that are hiring, build professional relationships, and set up interviews, give my notice where I was working, reserve a moving truck, purge and pack my belongings, have a yard sale and sell stuff on Craigslist, load the truck, and go. And many years later, I'm here to tell you that's exactly what I did, and I did. I made the move. When you break it down into bite-sized morsels, you can create a realistic, doable plan of action. Focus on one task at a time, and the outcome will take care of itself. The point is, you can either tell yourself it's impossible, so why bother, or you can begin chipping away at the list. Time goes by either way. Want to move to your dream town? Turn your passion into your career? Heal your past? You can. People do it all the time, and so can you. It's okay to start small. The more you do it, the more you'll see that it can be done. Are you a list maker? Do you have something that you'd love to do but it feels too big an undertaking? What list will you make today? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications every time I post a video. Liking and commenting really helps these videos out, so I would love it if you do that too. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.